So you want to start a YouTube channel. What's up guys, it's Samuel here. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be speaking about things that you should know before starting a YouTube channel. And this is kind of like things that I wish I knew before starting a YouTube channel and things you should know before starting a YouTube channel. So we're killing two birds with one stone here, guys. So the first thing you should know is that you should have video ideas. So it is important to have video ideas before uploading your first YouTube video to your YouTube channel. So before uploading your first YouTube video, you should already have planned out what you're going to be uploading after your first YouTube video. And that is a thing that I've not done. I only focused on uploading that one video on my channel, and I've gone like missing for probably 8 months or a year before I uploaded another video. So don't do that, don't go missing. So the second thing you should know is your first video will not necessarily be your best video. That's okay guys, so you don't need to stress about that as long as you are out there and you uploaded your first YouTube video and that is off your checklist, and it does not have to be perfect. That goes hand in hand with the first thing you should know, whereas you should have planned out what videos you're going to be uploading to your YouTube channel. Whenever I go through my YouTube channel or look at my first YouTube video, I'm like... So the third thing you should know is that you will not gain subscribers or any likes overnight or become famous overnight. So guys, unless you are famous, that's a whole another topic. Or you have a huge following, you can just promote your channel. If you have a small audience, so to say, or small following on Instagram, you can just promote your video on there and gain a few subscribers. Fourth thing you should know is that you should try to be consistent and have an upload schedule. So guys, this is something that I'm currently working on, like trying to be consistent. I don't have an upload schedule, so... And what an upload schedule is, for example, I'll be posting videos on a Monday and on a Friday and 2 videos in a week. So that's what it is. And there will be times when you just feel inconsistent and you don't want to upload a video. Like that is literally me, and I will have a video idea in my head and then the next day I'll be telling myself you're going to be filming this YouTube video and making this video and editing and whatnot, and then I just end up the next day not doing it. And that is really bad, guys. So the fifth thing you should know before starting a YouTube channel is that you should not worry about hate comments or whatever comments that are negative towards you and what you are doing, because they'll always have something to say about you in general. So don't worry about that too much. Don't stress about that. Don't stress about hate comments or any negativity. So the sixth thing is you do not need a high quality camera, guys. Like for me, I'm right now filming from my iPhone 7 and the quality is doing the job for now. And if you have an Android phone and it takes good quality pictures or good quality videos, you can definitely use that to film with, or use your iPhone. As long as it is a phone that has good quality, you are good to go and you are good to film and post your first YouTube video. Seventh thing, try to have a good or decent video editing software on your computer or video editing apps on your phone. And for me, I use iMovie that comes with my iPhone, and I do all my video editing through iMovie. And because I know there are quite a few editing softwares out there on Android, if you have a computer, you can download a video editing software on there, or a MacBook, you can use iMovie or Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere Pro or whatever, as long as it's a decent video editing app. So the eighth thing you should know before starting a YouTube channel, you should not use copyrighted songs in your videos. So the channel I used to get my sounds or my non-copyrighted music from is Non-Copyrighted Sounds or Music. You can search them on YouTube and you'll find their channel, and they have loads of non-copyrighted songs on their channel, and you can use those in your YouTube videos instead of using copyrighted songs. So what YouTube will do is, if you have copyrighted songs in your video and you are monetized, they will take that money that you make from this video, they will take that money and they'll pay to that artist, and you will get nothing, absolutely. So the ninth thing is that you should talk as if you have an audience. So that makes you engage more with the people and look straight at the camera, and you'll just be engaging with your audience. So the 10th thing that you should know before starting a YouTube channel is that you should do what you love, guys. You can have a beauty channel if you like making DIYs. You can have a DIY channel where you show people DIYs or your DIYs. And if you like playing games, you can have a gaming channel where you can show people how you play games or how you play video games or whatnot. And if you like just speaking in front of the camera, you can do story times and just do vlogs. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up down below if you liked it, and comment down below what you guys would like to see next on my channel, and subscribe to my channel if you want to, and click that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a brand new video.